Hey, good morning, Pirates. Real quick explanation of what we're going to do today. If you click on the agenda, you'll notice that the bell work asks you to add a slide with today's date, and then you're going to Google surface tension and define it on the slide. And then grab a glass at home and a paper clip and fill the glass with water and see if you can get the paper clip to float. And then take a picture of your floating paper clip. Or your attempt. If you struggle and get frustrated, just show me evidence that you tried it, and then go ahead and submit that for the day. Submitting does back up your work, so I would encourage you, in addition to, that's how I'm going to give you daily points. Submit every day. Okay, surface tension lab. We're going to do a lab in class today, and so if you click on this, it should open the assignment in Canvas. It says open the PDF and drag it to your desktop. So this is the worksheet that you'll actually work on. Directions, virtual students. If you don't have a dropper at home, you're going to use the student data from the data link in the assignment. And so I'll show you where that is. And you'll use a different student average for each trial. And so if you have a dropper, the substance the penny's dipped into is just soapy water. So have a glass with mostly water, put a couple drops of soap, mix it up, and then you're going to dip your penny into that. And then part of the assignment has some background information about cohesion and surface tension, and this is where you would get the information to complete that part of the assignment right here. Okay, so if I open the assignment, it downloads it, and then you will need to put that actually onto your desktop to work on it. And once it's on your desktop, you can open it and it will give you the preview tools. And so to get those tools, you're going to click on the little marker here, and then the toolbar shows up. Put a text box and add your name. And then directions after completing the background information at the end, read and work through the lab to complete it. Follow directions and procedures. Your responses on this document should be in easy to read color that contrasts with black font. Then submit the completed document on Canvas. You can see that if you just use the color that's defaulted in preview, then it'll be red, and that's perfectly okay. So it asks you to complete the background information first. You're going to come down to the very back of the document where it says background information, and you're going to complete these two paragraphs by reading through this information on the actual assignment in Canvas. And so just make a little text box, fill in the blank, read through it. Again, that's the background information. We are studying surface tension and cohesion of water in this case. And so it asks you to watch this video for 20 seconds, and then pause it, make a prediction how many drops are going to fit on that penny, predict, and then how many actually fell on it. So we've got to watch the rest of the video and see. That's your initial observation. You're going to write a question. Actually, you're going to write a hypothesis to this question: how does soap affect the water's surface tension? You're going to write that hypothesis right here. Okay, so our testable question is, how does soap affect the water's surface tension? We're going to actually make a prediction in the form of a hypothesis, and you're going to put that in a text box right here. Then you're going to follow these directions if you have a dropper and a penny and stuff at home. If you don't have a dropper and a penny, notice that you have clean penny data and soap-coated penny data. And so when you go to the student data page, after my first hour, this will start populating. You can see the name of students will be here, and then the number of drops on their clean penny, number of drops on their soap-coated penny. So you will use student data from this table to complete your data tables, and then you'll use more student data here to average, kind of class average. Then complete to analyze and conclude, and submit. Have a good weekend. We'll check in again with you guys on Monday and Tuesday before our holiday. Bye.